In this video, I'll demonstrate how to manage the false positives that users report when they request the release of quarantined emails. When users request the release of a quarantined email, Microsoft Defender for Office 365 creates a new informational incident in Microsoft Defender XDR. Within the incident, you can quickly get to the quarantine by selecting the associated alert. Then, in the Details side pane, select the meatball menu, followed by View the Quarantine Message. Of course, you wouldn't release an email without making sure it's clean, so select it to see more information about it in the Email Summary side pane. That includes the quarantine, delivery, and email details, as well as any URLs and attachments it contains. You can go a step further by selecting Open Email Entity to view the email's timeline. Our in-depth analysis of it, including the email header, any file attachments, or URLs it contains, and similar emails found in your tenant. The Email Entity page offers a tremendous amount of information to help you determine whether an email is good or bad. Once you're satisfied that the email is clean and you've chosen to approve the release, select Release Email in the Details side pane. Choose to release it to all or a subset of recipients. You also have the option to copy the message to other people. We do recommend that you select Submit the Message to Microsoft. As the name implies, we'll use the message to help improve our message filters, keeping it around for just 30 days. You can then select Allow this message to add its URLs, attachments, sender addresses, and so on to your tenant allow block list. Choose a time frame after which you want to remove the entries, provide an optional note, and select Release Message. After that, the release status changes to Released, and the message will appear in the user's inbox. However, you might have noticed that there are multiple messages waiting to be released. After investigating them to determine they're safe, you can release them all at once. To do that, select all the messages you want to release from quarantine, followed by Release. You'll see the same options as before. Of course, select Submit the Message to Microsoft to improve detection, and allow this message like you did before. Now, the quarantine release action is also integrated with the Defender for Office 365 and Defender XDR hunting experiences. With this new capability, you can now move quarantined messages to inboxes across hunting experiences like Threat Explorer, Advanced Hunting, Email Summary Panel, Email Entity Page, and Custom Detection. Defender for Office 365 makes it super easy to investigate and release emails from quarantine after users request them. To learn more, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs. Microsoft Security.